Hello, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED lighting and how to find a supplier in China. If you are new here, you want to know something about LED and how to communicate with LED manufacturer, you can subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I would like to give a brief review of LED track light. Generally speaking, LED track light included 5 important parts. First one, wattage. From 10 to 40 wattage. Generally speaking, big wattage, big size. You can look at here, this is 15 track light. This is 13.5 wattage track light. The size is much bigger. 2. Track head. Track head divided into 3 different wheels. 2 wheels, 3 wheels, and 4 wheels. Track head must be matched with your track rail system. 3. Driver. From the place of driver, we divided inside driver and outside driver. Inside driver means driver and chips in the same housing. They are together. Outside driver means driver and chips separately. Driver had its own driver box. From the functional, driver divided into dimmable driver and non-dimmable driver. Dimmable driver divided into 0 to 10 voltage dimmable, PMW dimmable, and daily dimmable. From the application, driver also divided into flickering driver and flick-free driver. Flick-free driver mostly use the art gallery and the museum. 4. LED chips. For high quality LED track light, LED chip brand normally Osram, Cray, Citizen, and Luminous. LED chips had different CRI. It included 80, 85, 90, 95, or even 97. High CRI means the color from the project would be much closer to the natural color. 5. LED optics. Optics normally divided into lens and reflector. Lens is better than reflector. Show more clear about the datasheet when you buying LED track light and communicate with LED supplier. They will be think you are professional and give a good price for you. Did you get that point? Leave a comment and let's discuss more. Thank you so much for watching today.